here's my latest idea. It's a gamepad pendant, and it comes with all the ideas you might expect one to come with, and then the crazy extras that I like to add in, including speed doublers that will double the speed rate or the feed rate. And since this is a rumble controller, I figured I would implement rumble as well. So the way it works is these work, everything works. But this is X, Y, Z, and these are these are analog, so they ramp up and down speed. These are the speed doublers. So if you can watch the feed rate down there, watch that. These have the speed. This is cycle start. Stop. You gotta be on the main screen. Start. And stop. The rumble, will be hard to hear the rumble on the camera, but it's set to rumble. God, I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear this. Oh, there it was. You can definitely feel it if you can't hear it. This is G30. This is coolant. Settings are editable in this config file. So up here is the speed. It's set to 50 inches per minute right now. Let's slow it way down to 10. File, save. Oops, not touch screen. Oh, you just missed the update. I have a update written into it. It displays in the status window, but every 10 seconds it watches for updates to the INI file. So now this will be reduced to 10. And you can see it there's 10, 20, 5. What else can we edit? All the buttons are editable, all the commands are editable. Is that not gonna work? Why can't I scroll that? Well, anyhow, like the button that I have G30 bound to can be changed. The coolant buttons can be changed. The directions of the axes can be changed. Rumble can be disabled. Everything's editable, and like I said, it updates every 10 seconds. So you don't have to reboot PathPilot. Code, products, everything's on my site, tormachtips.com.